G'day Lawnies, it's Matt Dawn from Lawnporn. Get your lawn on. 14th of April. This is coming along really well. 2 days ago I did a mow and I put down some charger and root builder as a tank mix. Charger 200 mils, root builder 50 mils per the 100 square meters. So light application. Watering, I didn't water for the day that I did that, but the next day I started back with the watering regime that I've had going since I did the top dress, which is 3 times a day for 10 minutes, and luckily I've got the timer there to do that. It's coming back quite well. There's a few thicker areas there that haven't filled in yet, but definitely it's moving. We've still got some good temperatures here. Today, for instance, is a nice 28 at the moment. My times are about 10 or 12 degrees usually. I'm away now for 10 days up north. I won't be home, so I'll keep that watering regime. Makes it nice and easy for my wife. She doesn't have to worry about it. And in 10 days time, I do suspect I'll be able to give this another mow and it will be a lot more filled in. The charger is definitely doing its work here. And over here, well, it just needs a bit more time. It's a bit thicker there. It's a little bit unlevel. I'm not too worried about that. And when I come back, you know, I'll give it a mow, probably with a rotary again, and then I'll put down some launch, and then I'll, you know, alternate between the launch plus and charger regime until, yeah, it's filled in pretty much. I'll keep my eye on emails and everything like that. I'm luckily enough in a position where I do have a bit of internet access, so I'll be able to keep on top of questions and that when I get some free time. But yeah, I just wanted to give you this little update. The growth is doing quite well. I've got another week of, you know, high 20s, a couple of 30s in there, which keeps it cooking along. But I reckon soon after that she'll just totally drop. So I think I'll be struggling to get full coverage by May, but it won't be too far off, and it will certainly look a lot better. So yeah, look, you know, it's tough times at the moment, and just do the best that you can and get your lawn on. Be sure to check out the other videos in this series of fixing a terrible lawn. Clicking subscribe and hitting the bell notification will keep you up to date when I drop a video. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a like. On Facebook, I'm Lawnporn. On Instagram, I'm Get Your Lawn On. So be sure to check those out.